Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook! Today, I will show you how to make lasagna. My portion is for 6 to 8 people, but the ingredients provided in the description below is for at least 4 people. For those who need to know how to cook the noodles, in a pot, add water, a tablespoon butter, sprinkle some salt, and let it boil. Then add noodles. Once it's cooked, drain and put aside. So in a frying pan, pour oil, chili, garlic, cook for a little bit, and then add meat, pepper, lemon juice, mushroom and oyster sauce, and mix. Put the lid on and let it cook for a while, but constantly repeat mixing until the meat is well separated and cooked. Then add the pasta sauce until the sauce is well mixed and less watery. So you may need to cook for a little bit more or a little bit longer. For the cottage cheese, mix the cheese with chopped spinach, sprinkle of salt, and pepper until well blended. In a casserole or lasagna dish, start with the noodles, spread it evenly at the bottom until it's fully covered. Then add the chicken and spread it evenly. Sprinkle some cheese. Then cover with noodles again. Then spread cottage cheese. Sprinkle cheese again. Add noodles again. Then add meat. Sprinkle cheese again. Then cover with noodles again. Sprinkle cheese again. Sprinkle the cheese on the top until it's fully covered and place the dish into the oven. And then let it cook until the upper layer, meaning the cheese, are nice and golden brown. Not too burnt, but nicely light brown. You want it to look beautiful. Wow, that was fun. Okay, guys, I'll cut that out. Let me do that again. Wow, that was fun. Any questions on how to make salad? Stay tuned. I hope you all are enjoying watching me cook. Stay tuned for more goodies to come, especially veggie dishes, as some have asked me to make. If you have any recipe suggestions you want me to give it a try or show you how to make, please give me a comment and I'll work on it. Until then, see you later.